Welcome to GW Manager. One of our customers in education sector reached out to us and they wanted to delete never logged in users from their Google Workspace for education. So in this video, I will show you how to use GW Manager to delete never logged in users from your Google Workspace. I'm in my Google Sheet. Under Extensions, I have GW Manager. If you need help with the installation, please visit our website for installation instructions. I will click on Launch to launch GW Manager. Once the tool is launched, I will go to Manage Users, and under Sub feature, I will select Smart Filters Export. If the Smart Filters Export sheet is not installed yet, it will ask you to install first. We have already installed it, so it's asking us to execute it, and I will click on Execute. We are using Smart Filters here because we need to first export the users that have never logged in so that we can then delete them in the next step. Here, we will select the operation type, which is to delete users. We can use other filters like organizational unit path if we need to export users from a specific organizational unit. If we need to export all users regardless of their org unit, we can leave this empty. Here, we can select the date and we can put 1/1/1971. That's the way to fetch all the users who never logged in from Directory API. We can also filter down if we need to fetch the users that are delegated admin or not, or whether the user state is suspended or archived. I will skip that for now. I understand that this will override the delete users sheet with this data. So if you're exporting all the users that never logged in to delete sheet, I will click on this button, and within a few seconds, I have a list of 40 users that never logged in. And to verify that, we can pick one of the users here, Control-C, go to Admin Console, Control-V. We have the user. Let's click on that. And we see that this user never signed in. So now we have the list in the delete user sheet. All we need to do is here, go to delete users. Okay, we are already on delete users sheet. Just click on execute. And at this time, GW Manager is deleting these never logged in users one by one, and it is giving us the status. Okay, it's deleting, and now it has deleted all the users. GW Manager has a very smart and reliable infrastructure behind, so even if you put 100,000 users at once to delete, it will still be deleting all those users. Now, to verify that they are indeed deleted, I will again copy this user. This was the user, so I will just do a quick reload. And we did not see that user because it's deleted. And if we go to our directory users, recently deleted users, we see that these are the users that were deleted. The last one was test user 4 and test user 4. So this is how you can delete never logged in users easily with GW Manager. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback. To learn more, please visit our website, gwmanager.com. Thank you for watching.